Good morning, everyone. This is part 2. Say good morning, Joe.
Good morning, everybody.
Can you explain what you're doing?
I am attempting to make a topiary bush for my little garden.
Yes, there you go.
That's the first coat on, so I'm going to leave it for a few minutes, then I'm going to glue it over again and then dip it again.
Yeah, but we're using like a fibre.
Yeah.
It's like a green mixed green fibre, actually. Right, what Joe's doing now is she's fixing this little wooden
If I can get
plinth.
the glue gun to go.
Yeah.
I am.
Glue gun's playing up this morning. Fixing the little plinth, like a wooden plinth, ready for the topiary to stand on it.
Something not right with that.
You might need to take the old glue
it's
out.
doing it
yeah,
now.
it's doing it now.
I'm just going to circle it round.
Well, it'll just squash it out anyway.
Not to the very edge, obviously.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to stand that on there.
Is that flat? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it. There you go. Right, Joe's starting to add the gravel in now for a path.
Am I just doing it out the bag?
Yeah, just do it out of the bag, tip it on, press it down.
I feel like I'm wasting lots of...
You won't, because we'll tip it out into a piece of paper and then we'll put it back in the bag.
Right, okay. Look, dogs.
So I have suggested to her that she does sections at a time because it's easier. Joanne's just starting to put the grassy bits in. So she's just adding some glue and we're using Mod Podge, and then just she's done her own mixture, I couldn't even say that, mixture of grasses, and it's just like fine fibres. Right, what Joe's doing now is she's doing the trough that's going to go under the trellis, and she's painting it white, and then she's got this little bench that we managed to fix yesterday, and she's going to paint that white as well, which I think will look really nice. Because it's not exactly a Victorian vintage garden, it's more like a modern day one, but a nice one. Is it the kind of garden you'd like if you were an old lady?
It's the kind of garden I'd like if I had a garden.
Well, I got my garden eventually.
I don't have a garden yet.
No, but you will have. But I got I've waited like 35 years to get my garden.
Well, I've waited 56 for mine, love.
No, I've got to say 33 because I've had it 2 years. And if it was now, if I'd have left it till now, he was too bloody old to do it now. But yeah. Yeah. Right, Joanne's making the pillows, or the little cushions for the garden seats. And as you can see, she's done the little seat here. It's cute. Really cute.
It is so cute.
Oops.
Even though I say it myself.
Yeah. And we've found some little seed beads that she can use in the middle.
Yeah.
Now Joe's making herself a little workbench where she's going to put the tools on and that. So what do you think of it so far, Jo? Are you pleased with what you've done?
I absolutely love it.
There you go.
Absolutely, I've loved every second of it.
And you didn't think you could, or you would be able to do it?
Didn't think. I've never done out like this.
There you
But
go.
I'm finding it really cathartic.
But she's going to stain this as well, aren't you?
I am.